Hi guys, this is just a quick video showing you how to use PlayStation 3 controller to control your CNC machine. The setup is based on Arduino Uno and GRBL 1.1 and I use CNC.js as the CNC controller software. This is the board, not connected to any machine, it's just for test. This is the controller, connected with a wire. I didn't have time to connect it via Bluetooth for now. I got some problems to make the connection, so for the test I'm using the cable, but surely you can use the wire as well. I will move the machine back to 0 position first. Go to machine 0 is not yet configured on the controller. Now I'm selecting X-axis. It is the select button, so if it is not selected, then it will not be active. You can see that moving to the left is changing the coordinates on the screen, so the machine is moving. Moving down is configured now to 10 millimeters move. Moving left and right is 3.3 millimeters respectively. I can select another axis. This is Y-axis. And the Z-axis. So axis is on these buttons. So just a quick test, and I will have to program more buttons. Left stick was not configured, so no action there. X-axis again. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.